How to fix Google reviews not showing up publicly. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Google Maps. Tap on your profile icon. After that, simply go to your profile. Now you will land in this interface. Tap on this three dot and then go to profile settings. Now scroll down and then you will see an option of publicly posting. All you have to do is toggle that option on and you will be done. Also, you will get that option when you have contributed something. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.